How to turn off Instagram suggested post. You can temporarily snooze suggested post on your Instagram feed for 30 days. For that, simply open your Instagram. Once you're in your app, simply head over to your profile by tapping on your profile section. Then simply tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Once you're in your settings and activity, simply scroll down until you find content preferences. You'll find it under what you see and tap on content preferences. Then you'll find the snooze suggested post in feed, and if you toggle this on, it will hide suggested post in feed for 30 days, nearly a month. Now to make sure this is on, simply tap on the icon and this will be toggled on. And once the period expires, this will be toggled off automatically and you have to toggle it again manually. And in this way, you can easily snooze any suggested post in feed for over 30 days. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.